Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful skill: how to insert shapes in Google Docs for 2025. Whether you're a student sprucing up an essay, a professional designing reports, or just someone who loves adding visual elements to their documents, this quick tutorial will have you mastering shapes in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Docs document. If you don't have one, just head over to docs.google.com and create a new file. Once you're in, look at the top menu bar and click on Insert. This is your gateway to all sorts of cool additions. From the drop-down menu, hover over Drawing and select New. This will open a fresh drawing canvas where the magic happens. In the Drawing tool, you'll see a toolbar at the top. Click on the Shapes icon. It looks like a circle with a square. A menu will pop up with various shapes like rectangles, arrows, stars, and more. Pick the one you want, then click and drag on the canvas to draw it. Don't worry if it's not perfect, you can always resize or move it around. To customize your shape, select it and use the options in the toolbar. Change the fill color, outline, or even add text inside it. Once you're happy with how it looks, hit the Save and Close button at the top right. Your shape will now appear in your document as an embedded image. A few quick tips. If you need to edit the shape later, just double-click on it to reopen the drawing tool. Remember, shapes can make your documents more engaging, but don't overdo it. Keep it balanced for readability. And if you're using Google Docs on mobile, the process is similar but might involve a few more taps. There you have it. Inserting shapes in Google Docs is straightforward and can really elevate your work. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.